In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your spreadsheets into a clean PDF file right here in Google Sheets. So if you're trying to turn your spreadsheet into a clean PDF so you can quickly share it with someone in the PDF format and not as a Google Sheets file, this is how you can do it. So in this example, I have this tally sheet right here where we have the tally of scores from day 1 and day 2. So what I'm going to do to turn this into a PDF so I can show it or share it to someone in that format, what I'm going to do is to go to File here in the menu bar and select Download. On the right side, you will see the different formats that you can download this spreadsheet as, and one of them would be in PDF format. So if we click on this, this will show us this preview of how it would look like in PDF format. Now you can customize on how you can show it. Right now I have my current sheet right here. Since I have 2 sheets or 2 tabs on that spreadsheet file, I'm going to go to the export here at the top and select workbook. This time I have the 2 sheets right here. So when you have that in workbook, now you can have a selection of the different sheets that you want to include in that PDF file. So I have 2 of those sheets selected, tally day 1 and tally day 2. If I wanted to remove tally day 2, I can just deselect that, click on apply, and now I only have that one sheet. But if I wanted to include both, I can just select both, click on apply, and here we have them. We can also change the paper size. A while ago, it was at the legal size, which is quite long. So I changed it into the letter size. There you have it. Also, we have the page orientation. You can have it in landscape or in portrait. Also, the scale, you can have these different options. And once you're done customizing on how you want that file to look in PDF format, you can click now on export at the top right corner. So now it says downloading as PDF, and it will open your computer drive as to where you want to save this file. So it has the name there, the spreadsheet name, which is tally sheet. And again, you can select where you want it saved. All of these are my other PDF files that I've already downloaded or created. And once you're done, just click on save. And there we have it. If I click on this, it will open that file. And here we have our sheet or our data in PDF format. And now I can do what I want with it. I can easily print it or send it as an email attachment to the people I want to share it with. And there you have it. That's how you can turn your spreadsheets into a clean PDF file here in Google Sheets. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.